It would be things like restrooms, high-touched areas like doors, handles, light switches. I think those areas would be mainly those hard areas, for instance, like around the sink, inside the fridge. You have to clean up spills because those type of things, can create bacteria. The entryway of the office, you want to make sure there's no, things around the area where you're walking in. It keeps people from tripping, any accidents, and then just a good presentation where you're walking into the building. It depends how often you're getting your office cleaned. If it's every other week, if you have, 50 employees in your office, it's important for you to, kind of keep up with that. Maybe don't put in your food trash in your bin. Maybe go to the one in the kitchen. That way you can keep, smells from going around the office and just keeping them in one spot. And then that way it keeps, from it piling in all over the office. So just, keep one bin in one place and then people can just go and throw their trash away there. Things like the kitchen. When you have a kitchen, the fridge, there's a lot of people, that bring in their lunches. They leave their lunch in there, starts rotting, smells create. So it is very important to have a checklist, like every Friday, maybe, throw away your trash so that way we can keep the fridge from, not piling up with germs and things like that.